Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 19 of saving $6 a day in July with my minis. And I did not get my little money out of here, so I need 5, 6, and then we'll tuck that one back in for later. All right, I got my quarter minis for Sharkmas, Christmas in July, Shark Week month, all of that. We're gonna put $6 into our minis bank, and this just holds our cash until we complete something. And we'll go to our prop coins and get our $6 worth of prop coins. I have all quarters. You can use whatever amounts you want. We are starting at number 3, which is the gray reef shark. Let's get my little dice tower tray. Okay, so we are all set, and let's see what we can finish today. 1, 2, and 3 for 3. That's a great start. 3 for 4. 2 for 5. 1 for 6. Too far. 2 for 1. 2 for 2. 2 for 3. 2 for 4. There's a pattern. 2 for 5. 2 for 6. All right. I love it. 1 for 1. I have 2 left. And they are going there. So we could have just left our little start here on number 3. That's okay. All right, let's see what we got today. Oop, that's 3. Let's go to 1. For number 1, we got 1, 2, and 3, so that's 75 cents. We are using these adorable little tinies from Boy Mom Budgeting. And we are gonna do 1, 2, and what's our next one? He's snorkeling, but yeah, I don't know. He looks really happy for not having any air going into his mouth. And then 1 more here. But we don't judge. We're happy for everybody's happiness. Okay. So that's that. So number 2 got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's $1. And this one is from Financial Dreams with Christine, and we only needed 75 cents. Yay, we finished one. Let's go with the correct colors, and I will be right back. Woohoo, that's $5 going to Walmart Plus. All right, so let's get a new one that we can put 25 cents to. Let's see, what do we have way in the back? Ooh, watermelon. Oh, this is from LJ's Butterflies. Oh, shoot. Strawberry or watermelon? We'll do watermelon first because that's what I pulled out first, but we will definitely be doing the strawberries too. This is Summer Vibes from LJ's Butterflies. You can get this free on her Ko-fi. So let's do 1 strawberry. That is a watermelon. I think I'm just gonna do this. That looks terrible. Oh, I wish I wouldn't have done that, but it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. It's fine. It's totally fine. Okay, number 3. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 25. So $1.25 going into number 4, and we just needed the 25 cents. This is Santa Yoga from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budget. So let's color in our last 25 cents. And that'll save us $3. And we have $1 that we get to put into a new one. Do I have that Apple TV? Yes. All right, just because I'm gonna do this, oh my God, okay, I'm doing the strawberries. I'm doing the strawberries. And we have $1, so we can do the whole top row. All right, I tried to do little hearts. I don't know how well it's gonna work, but I think I can tell. And that was, is it Apple TV? Yes. Yay! So LJ can be in here as many times as she wants. And her cute little summer freebies. Okay, number 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 25. So $1.25 going in here. I'm already laughing because it's the one from Kimmy at Kimmy's Corner. Hey, you dropped this, and it's pictures of brains. So $1.25. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1, and 25 cents. This will save us $4 when we are done. That one makes me laugh. Okay, and then, oops, let's put this away. And then number 5, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So $1 going in number 5. And that is what we needed from Kimmy at Kimmy's Corner. Yay! So we have $6 in total, but 3 each going to the buffer. And I will be right back. There we go. So we finished this $1, but let's pull in a new one for next time. All right, extras. What's this one? This one is from Danny at Craft Coat Budgets. Best Mom. So they're 25 cents each, and it will save $1. And that says shark binder, but I'm gonna leave it as shark binder. I think I'm gonna take buffer out. Well, future Eva will figure that out. Okay, number 6, 1, 2, and 3. So number 6 has 75 cents. Oh, we needed $1. This one is from Budget with Carly. I've lost an electron. Are you positive? Science jokes. All right, I'm gonna fill in 3 circles and I'll be right back. All right, we have 25 more cents and this one will be done. This one is the shark binder. Okay, perfect. So we finished a few. That's kind of awesome. Let's go back to the front and get our prop coins. I am going to leave the binder open so I can put these in the back when I'm done, but these are the buffers, so that's $6. Walmart Plus and Apple TV. All right, I can't believe we finished all this. All right, so we have $5 for that one. I'm gonna say $6 for that one in the back, and then this one is 3, so 1, 2, and 3. We definitely thinned out our bank, so I'm gonna set this off to the side. Luckily, I think everything is in this binder now. So we'll go to buffer. I'm actually going to put this in grocery buffer because that one is full. So those are done, and then this one is Walmart Plus. So let's go to the back and put our $5 in there. And then this one is Apple TV. Let's go to the front. And we're going to put $3 in Apple TV. I need to condense that soon. Can't wait. And then we're just going to put these completed ones all the way in the back. So I have my little close-up of the hammerhead for our completed challenges. And that is all I have today. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate you. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.